I guess everybody knows artificial intelligence, science and engineering, and to make intelligent applications by using statistical, machine learning, and deep learning techniques. So, natural language processing is nothing but study of different languages. I can speak Hindi, you are speaking Chinese, you are speaking English. How we can develop various applications like translators we are using, chatbots like Alexa, Siri, we are using in real time. How do we can develop such type of applications by using machine and deep learning techniques? That is agenda today. Before going to our topic, so Madam already introduced my background, and these are my interested areas like data science, artificial intelligence, machine and deep learning, cyber security, health data analytics. Right now, I am doing groundwater and soil data, PFAS data analytics using statistics, AI, machine and deep learning techniques. Thanks to Ravi, he has given opportunity to explore my knowledge in this environmental science applications. So these are my URLs. You can find my publications in IEEE Explorer, RCID, Scopus papers, Web of Science papers, Science Citation Index papers, and I have a YouTube channel. It is a free of cost. I'm not earning any money from that one. So far, I have included 256 videos on different technologies, including big data, cloud computing, and natural language processing and artificial intelligence data science. So I'm a corporate trainer. I'm giving right now for US and India students who are pursuing their PhD and Master of Science. For them, I'm conducting online trainings on data science, machine and deep learning, cyber security. And within 60 seconds, what is happening in this world? How many users are connected to this internet world? Internet is a network of networks. Network is an interconnection between the computers in the fashion of local area network, wide area network, and metropolitan area network. If you see, within 1 minute, how many users are viewing YouTube? 6,94,000 videos are viewing within 60 seconds. Same way, 3,47,222 tweets. Same way, you can see 11,035 fake accounts removed within 60 seconds. Very interesting point. So, sir, I would like to see these statistics in the real-time environment. Yes. If you click this URL, www.worldstatistics, sir, I would like to see how many users are connected right now in this world. So, just a minute, I'm sharing this. It is not coming. I'm sharing, it is not coming. I want to show you real time.
Maybe
Share. I have to.
option.
Yes. Yeah. Now see, if you click this URL, now current population you can see here. This is a data is generated through internet. We are living in the terabytes of era right now. Today, births. Can you imagine? See within 60 seconds, how the numbers are changing. See, deaths date, deaths year, population growth today, and world population sections. Sections wise, you can see highest population right now, India. Then second place, China. So you can see the statistics, how many users are connected to this internet world. Okay, growth rate, everything we can see in this URL, uniform resource locator, www.world. Okay, so this is the URL you can check. So same way you can see, same internetlivestats.com, you can find the number of users connected to this internet world. Why I am explaining all this? We need data. Data is a raw material. Data may be audio, video, text, graphics, animation, any kind of. So where can I get a huge volume of data? From various sources, I can generate a huge volume of data. If you see this one, this worldometers, if you click this URL, you are navigating to this URL. You can find the statistics now, real-time environment. See how the numbers are increasing. Current world population births this year. Now see government and economics, numbers are changing. That means huge volume of data is transferring from one end to another end. One server to system, system to server, server to server. Then society of media. Then you can see the environment data. Can see this is more relevant to our department, GSR and CRCK. Environment data, CO2, carbon dioxide emissions. See, can you imagine such a number, huge number? We are unable to read this number also, such a huge number. So then food items, then water, energy, health, then health related. See, cigarette smoke today. How many users are there? Can you imagine? So that means we are living in this uh, so we are living in this terabytes of world. So we need data, then we can do many things with the help of data. I can do classification, I can do clustering, I can do relationship between dependent variable and independent variable. I can do association rule mining. I can do outlier detection by using various AI, statistical, machine and deep learning techniques. Okay, so same thing I have incorporated in this slide. The numbers are increasing, automatically the data center size also increases. So each company having their own data center and they are storing huge volume of data. Data center is nothing but collection of high integrated computing servers at one place is called data center. The backbone for cloud computing is data center and virtualization. Each MNC company having their own data center and 24/7 you are accessing Gmail account means you are connected to cloud computing. Cloud computing is nothing but internet based technology. Without internet, you cannot access any kind of service based application. So cloud computing backbone is data center and virtualization. What is virtualization? Virtualization is the ability to perform multiple tasks in a single system with the help of virtualization technologies like VMware, hypervisor, Zen, virtual iron, etc. So this is artificial intelligence training usually I am giving. There are 13 topics. Out of 13, today I have taken one topic. Last time I have completed data science applications using AI, statistics, machine and deep learning techniques. Today I am taking one of the topic called natural language processing, that is called NLP. So these are case studies in real-time environment. I'm going to handle with the practical session. And if you press capital A in the system, system cannot understand capital E. Internally, it converts into ASCII format. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. For every key, there is a ASCII value in the computer. So 108 keys are presented in the keyboard, each key having its own ASCII value. If you press capital A, system cannot understand. Internally, it converts into binary format like 65 divided by 2. If you perform, we are getting binary equivalent number is 10001. Then system understands, oh, you have pressed capital A. So 1 bit is equal to 0 or 1, 8 bits is equal to 1 byte. We are living in the terabytes of right now. So the terminology goes on like this. After kilobytes, megabytes, gigabytes, terabytes, petabytes, hexabytes, octabytes, zettabytes, yottabytes, prontobytes, and geobyte and infinity. Why I am explaining? Because we are dealing with real-time data right now. How much volume of data we are handling? That we should know the terminology and the jargon of IT. So same thing you can measure in the mathematics. 1 kilobyte is 10 power 3. 1 terabyte is 10 power 12. 1 yottabyte is 10 power 24. And the final one geobyte is 10 power 30. So this is the syllabus I'm skipping. This is the core syllabus of artificial intelligence training where I'm giving. This is a data science syllabus. This is Python programming syllabus and statistics and probability syllabus and data structures and algorithms and database management and warehousing. And this is a artificial intelligence syllabus. Now, in artificial intelligence, the latest technology came, generative AI right now. Okay, with the help of generative AI, we are developing very good applications nowadays. So this is data mining techniques, and this is our today's topic, natural language processing. There are 14 techniques I would like to explain with the practical demonstration. Maybe you may not understand the terminology, what I am explaining in this natural language processing. Sorry for that, but I will try to convince it is useful for in any subject. You can incorporate these artificial intelligence, statistical, machine and deep learning techniques are used to develop natural language processing applications like Alexa, Siri, and sentiment analysis, various applications we can develop. This is big data technologies. Which data I can call it as a big data? Anyone? Which data I can call it as a big data? So, yeah, see, we cannot say the data, we cannot see, traditional systems are unable to process the data. Such type of data is called big data. There are various technologies in big data like Hadoop, Spark, MATLAB, R, etc. So this is artificial neural networks. In order to develop minute level features, we are extracting with the help of applications like ANN, CNN, and RNN, and LSTM, Keras, TensorFlow, PyTorch, NumPy, Panda, Scikit-learn, Seaborn, Matplotlib. These all are various frameworks I'm using to develop various intelligent-based applications. So machine learning is a powerful subject, learning from the observational data with the help of supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement algorithms. We are developing various applications. And the extension of machine learning is deep learning, learning from the observational data with the deep manner. We are increasing n number of input and output layers, and with the help of CNN, convolutional neural networks, RNN, recurrent neural networks, LSTM, long short-term memory technique, and Python libraries like Keras, TensorFlow, PyTorch, scikit-learn, Cborn, and sklearn. These are the various frameworks we can use. You may be wondering what are these? These are libraries I'm using in Python programming. It is supporting all artificial intelligence, statistical techniques, machine and deep learning techniques. This is syllabus. Usually I'm taking for PhD students who are pursuing their Doctor of Philosophy in Data Science, Artificial Intelligence. I'm explaining. This is augmented reality and virtual reality. And these are the number of projects I have entire last 4 years. I have executed nearly 150 projects with the help of MTech and PhD students, and the list goes on. A total 153 projects. Okay, and see, very interesting question. If I am asking, Ayanka, what is your date of birth? If I am asking, immediately she is telling, she is giving the date of birth. If I am asking, what is your, see, can you read this question? Very interesting question. See, when is our death date? Sorry to say you this question, because we are now reaching towards such type of questions with the help of generative AI applications. When is our death date? See, there is a solution with the help of machine and deep learning techniques. Now all the scientists and very good eminent personalities are developing such a model called life to vector. Okay, the solution, what is model? Simplified version of the reality. So there are various models we are developing, especially this GSR department, they are developing various statistical models. Same way, I'm a computer science graduate. I know in artificial intelligence models and machine and deep learning models, I'm developing. If you give data, I can generate various types of models, and I can generate various kinds of visualizations like a bar chart, pie chart, scatter plot, heat map, whatnot. With the help of matplotlib, we can generate. Now see, very interesting question. Now the input for this model is my date of birth, my height, weight, lifestyle factors, genes, etc. And the ultimate goal of today's workshop, 1 hour workshop, I'm going to show you some natural language processing applications such as, see, I'm finding the number of years. Now I'm going to demonstrate this application in Python programming. This is the Python programming. Write a Python program, how a potential lifespan prediction can be made based on various input factors such as biological data, lifestyle factors, and genetic information. So for this one, I'm importing various libraries called Life2Vector is a model, Matplotlib is a model, library, NumPy is a library. Then I'm defining function predict lifespan based input data. Then example for random lifespan prediction, and then predict lives. I'm giving input data as various parameters. So like in data set consists of number of rows and columns. Here I'm taking data of birth, height, weight, the style of food I'm eating, the way of daily exercises I'm giving. All these inputs I'm giving as my system. My system will predict the lifespan and plot the prediction. Now I'm going to demonstrate this application. See, I'm sharing. Um, See, here, if you take Python programming, again it is asking, every time it is asking share. Entire screen I am unable to show you. See, this is a command prompt. So once you can see, if you are using Python in your system, you can check like this with this command. Type Python. It will display which version you are using. Okay. So I'm using right now 13.12.2. If you want, you can install. It takes only 2 minutes. Just go to Google, type Python software. You can install in Windows. Like this, you will get a uh, uh, um, command prompt. So now I'm exiting. So Python can be executed in two ways. One is IDLE and one more is scripting way. So now I'm using scripting way because I'm writing my own program for various applications. So now my program, notepad space, lifespan. So this is the program just now I have explained. See, this is the program I have opened. See, write a Python program is to demonstrate how a potential lifespan. Same thing. Whatever I have explained, I have written. Now I'm executing this program. Okay. So Python space lifespan. See here. So now the program is executing. See, it predicted the way I am taking food habits based on that one. Okay, see, the graph is not visible here. Entire screen at a time I need to see. This is the graph I have generated. Okay, so actual versus predicted span. Actual versus predicted span. Span, lifespan. So this is the way we can execute different programs, very interesting applications. So this is one application under natural language processing application. Now here after 6 months of my journey in GSER, I have observed different people are there, different languages they are speaking right now. Okay, so now I would like to demonstrate different types of applications related to so different languages we are speaking. See, what is natural language processing? Study of different linguistics, study of different languages. Okay, interaction between computers and humans through natural language. So maybe English, maybe Chinese, maybe Telugu, maybe Hindi, etc. And the goal of natural language processing is to enable computer to understand and interpret and respond to human language in a way that it is both meaningful and useful. What sort of applications we can develop with the help of natural language processing? So we can generate language translation and sentiment analysis, chatbot, like virtual assistants. Nowadays, we are using in our mobile, Alexa, Siri. These are the applications comes under natural language processing applications. Okay, so now I am going to demonstrate with the practical. So this is the application I would like to show you. See, so my first, this is write a Python program to demonstrate how to use the Google Trans library. It's a model in Python to translate English text into Chinese. So I'm writing a program here from Google Trans, import that Google Translator, and already application is there. What is the new thing you are explaining, sir? You are getting a doubt. Yes. How to develop a program I am explaining for such type of applications. Already existed Alexa, Siri. What you are doing a new thing into the society. How to develop such type of applications? by using Python programming and inclusion of AI, statistics, machine and deep learning techniques. So now I'm converting English to Chinese language. So first I'm initializing the translator, define the text to translator, like I'm taking input as hello, how are you? So this text, how we can write and translate into Chinese. Okay, so now I am going to demonstrate the practical on this application. Okay, see here. So notepad space, I'm writing a program, English to Chinese. See this program, night only I have developed this application. See, write a Python program. This is the program. Sorry, every time I need to share, otherwise it is, I'm sharing the program. So write a Python program to translate English text to Chinese. So I'm initializing, defining the text to be translated. How are you? Hello, how are you? This application I am demonstrating with the practicals. Okay. So please see here. So Python space English to Chinese. See now, hello, how are you? I have given a text. Where is Jingling? She is presented today. No, she is not there. I think you will read what is that in translated text. Please, can you read? Read? Yeah. Oh, that's great. See? Yeah. Now, English text I have given. Hello, how are you? Can you pronunciate once again? Again. Say it again. Say it okay. Read it. Chinese. There is a Chinese. Oh. So, hello, how are you? Like this, we can develop one more application. I'm going to demonstrate. Same. Sorry. So, English to Hindi. This is a Indian language, Hindi, very popular and highest spoken language in India, not in world. World may be Mandarin, world may be in English, maybe, I don't know. So, same thing, write a Python program to translate English text into Hindi text. So, Hindi is our Rashtriya Bhasha. So, I'm demonstrating how to see here. The thing you need to use in Python, same program if you write in Java, it takes 100 to 150 lines. If you use Python programming, it takes 10 to 15 lines. That is the greatness of Python. Why Python is so popular? Because of rich number of libraries are presented. Rich number of libraries like Google Trans, NumPy, SciPy, Keras, PyTorch, stats model, statistical model if you want to use, stats model, sklearn, TensorFlow, Matplotlib, Seaborn, various libraries are presented in Python programming. That's why Python is so popular. Now I am using this Python programming for translating English text into Hindi text. So English text I am taking as a hello, how are you? And I am converting into Hindi language. So I have written the text for that. I have written the code for this application. Now I am demonstrating this application. I'm sharing this application. Maybe it is very boring for you because I'm explaining completely in computer science. You may not like. Still, I'll try to convince to understand what I'm going to demonstrating and explaining the program. See, I have written the program in Notepad, English to Hindi. So this is the program I have written. Okay. So I'm sharing this. See, I'm sharing this program. I'm using various libraries in Python. The first library is Google Trans Model. Model is nothing but simplified version of the reality. No need to write lengthy code. That's why we are using packages in Python programming and so popular. And here I'm using input text as hello, how are you? Now I'm converting by using Python programming into Hindi language. Okay, so now I'm executing this program. So Python space. It's very simple. Okay, so Hindi. See now, I'm executing this program. See the input the text I have taken. Hello, how are you? नमस्ते in Hindi, namaste. आप कैसे हैं? This is my language. You may not understand Hindi language. Now I am pronunciating namaste. आप कैसे हैं? That is in Hindi. Such type of applications we are developing in natural language processing. Very interesting subject. With the help of artificial intelligence techniques like machine learning and deep learning and statistical methods like linear regression, nonlinear regression, logistic regression. These are my bread and job because every day I'm using AI and statistics, machine and deep learning to generate various kinds of intelligent applications. So next topic, I'm going to demonstrate same. This is Hindi. I've already explained this one. Yeah. So same thing. English to Hindi, English to Telugu. Telugu is my mother tongue. In India, there are 16 official languages. Very tough. Okay, the common language here, Indian people are there, but I am not speaking my mother tongue because we are using English as a common. For Indian people itself, we are talking in the English. It's a common language for us. Okay, so 16 languages is very difficult to learn. So that's why we are using this natural language processing applications. There are various translators we are using nowadays. That's why artificial intelligence came into the picture. The science and engineering to make intelligent applications. Okay. So artificial intelligence is nothing but intelligent behavior in a machine. So we are developing such type of applications with the help of, again, machine and deep learning techniques with the help of various models. So far I have explained only introduction part. Actual topic I have. Now I am going to start the syllabus of natural language processing. I don't want to explain all these terminology. This jargon is very tough for you to understand. Okay, so usually I am taking training, corporate training. For them, I am explaining introduction to natural language processing. What are the fundamentals of machine and deep learning topics? Then text pre-processing techniques. See, here in GSER also, everybody generating their own data set. Once you have created a wonderful data set, what you are going to do? First step, you are doing pre-processing. Why we are doing pre-processing? In order to eliminate the noisy data, inconsistent data, dirty data, redundant data with the help of various pre-processing techniques like box plot, binning, various filters we are using. Actually, I am using. Maybe you are not using such kind of pre-processing techniques. Various filters are available in Python and easy to use those filters to pre-process the data. Okay, and NLP with machine learning techniques and deep learning for NLP, natural language processing, and advanced NLP applications and case studies. Just now I have explained 3 applications and one more interesting application I am going to demonstrate. So these are the 14 techniques are available as a techniques under NLP. You know, NLP is a technique under artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence is a big umbrella. Under that artificial intelligence, we have 13 subjects, one among natural language processing. Likewise, we have statistics, one subject, machine learning, deep learning, and data science, data mining, data structures, cloud computing, big data. All subjects comes under artificial intelligence. So I have explained the definition of natural language processing, study of different languages, study of linguistics in order to develop various kinds of intelligent based applications like language translation. Just now I have demonstrated. Sentiment analysis. How Narendra Modi won the elections. You know, Narendra Modi is a Prime Minister of India. He won the elections because of sentiment analysis. All data scientists and machine learning engineers, they took the data from various states. They have collected the data in the form of SMS, in the form of text, in the form of Facebook, Twitter. They have collected data and kept in the system server, and they have applied pre-processing techniques. Once they have applied pre-processing techniques, the data becomes information. Information means processed data is called information. On that refined data, now I am applying statistical techniques, prediction techniques. Which states are leading Narendra Modi favor? Which states are lagging? So that time Narendra Modi is giving boons for the public. So in that applications, all data scientists like me, machine learning engineers, and data deep learning engineers, and system analysts, they are sitting together and they are applying prediction techniques, and they are generating such kind of decision making information. So that's why Narendra Modi won the elections with the help of big data engineers and data science engineers. So that application comes under sentiment analysis, chatbots. Nowadays, if you open any website, in the right side corner, there is a pop-up. You will see that pop-up says that, hello, how are you? How can I help you? The website is asking. That application comes under chatbots. Okay, then next application is a virtual assistants like Alexa, Siri. These are the Google Assistant, virtual assistants applications. These applications comes under natural language processing applications. Okay, so these are the applications today. I don't want to explain all sort of theory concept. Just I'll give you today's workshop. I mean today's seminar. Briefly, I'll explain with these 3 points. So you need to know natural language processing is nothing but study of different languages. It comes under artificial intelligence subject. What is artificial intelligence? Science and engineering to make intelligent applications. That is called artificial intelligence. So if I'm asking you, can you list out 2 techniques of AI? Immediately I can say machine learning and deep learning. Okay. So machine learning is nothing but learning from the observational data with the help of supervised learning techniques, with the help of unsupervised learning techniques, with the help of reinforcement learning techniques are popular. Then we can go for deep learning techniques. Deep learning is nothing but extension of machine learning. In deep learning, learning from the observational data with a deep manner by increasing n number of input and hidden layers. Like artificial neural networks is a technique, convolutional neural networks is a technique, and recurrent neural networks, long short-term memory techniques. That is today's workshop about natural language processing applications. This is the terminology, you must know it. Lexical analysis. See, language constructs with the help of alphabets. Okay. So A plus B, A is a lexi, plus is a lexi, B is a lexi. Lexi is a smallest individual unit of a given string. String is a collection of characters. Keep in mind. So likewise, syntax analysis, whether you are writing grammatically correct or not, any code, that is called a syntax analysis. Semantic analysis means the meaning of the statement is correct or not. Then discourse integration is nothing but the meaning of any sentence is greatly affected by its preceding sentences. That is called discourse integration. Pragmatic analysis is nothing but you are interpreting real text. You are analyzing the text integrated with the real world knowledge. That means everybody can understand. Now I am speaking English. Everybody is understanding. It is a common language. So such type of applications, if I am developing, that comes under pragmatic analysis. So no need to explain all these things. These are the various applications. We can see translation application. Just now I have demonstrated. Then you can see reporting applications like marketing, clinical, environmental data applications, chatbot applications, and semantic and sentiment analysis, language models, whatnot. Whatever you are speaking, I can convert into one language to another language. Such type of applications comes under natural language processing. So these are the 14 techniques. I don't want to explain because it is boring for you. So you may not understand completely this terminology. So mission translation, text classification, language modeling, and for every technique, I have demonstrated with the practical session here. See here, write a Python program to perform tokenization using NLTK. Tokenization is nothing but hello, HELLO. H is a one token, E is a one token, L is a one token. Token is nothing but smallest individual unit of a given string. What is string? Collection of characters. So likewise, I have developed various kinds of applications with the help of natural language processing applications. This is one more application, lemmatization. Lemmatization is nothing but reducing a word. No need to speak very lengthy words. You can shortcut. Then stemming. Stemming also is similar to lemmatization. It is also a similar to reducing a word its base or root form. So here is the application I have demonstrated. Okay, and parts of speech. See, parts of speech is nothing but once you are learning any language, there are parts of speech available. If you are learning Chinese, so there are alphabets, there are consonants, there are vowels, etc. How you are dividing into consonants, vowels, and etc. So by using parts of speech, I have demonstrated one application. Then same way, named entity recognition, like Barack Obama. How do I can identify name of the person, name of the location, name of the food, likewise. So it may be a boring for you. Again, sentiment analysis. So positive, negative. The feedback about any prime minister, you are giving vote through SMS or any text message. You are giving positive or negative. That comes under sentiment analysis. We are developing such kind of applications. Then text classification. Here in GSER, I have observed, I have done nearly 8 to 10 people data. What I have observed, the data related to groundwater data, the data related to pesticides, the data related to crop, the data related to soil. It is very new for me. I'm not understanding this department because I'm odd man out from you. So my job is to generate visualizations. That's all. By using matplotlib, ggplot in R programming, you may be knowing R programming. So in R programming, we are using the ggplot. In Python programming, we are using matplotlib. Okay, and various languages having their own visualization graphs are available. In MATLAB also one more visualization is available. Now, this is language translation. I have demonstrated this application. And next, text summarization. Now, so your biodata, I cannot read 45 pages. So I want to reduce to one paragraph. By using this text summarization, I can generate. Yes, I'm binding. So, this is word embedding and one more application. I have demonstrated all the practical session for each technique. Then dependency parsing and topic modeling and term frequency. How many times? Hello, how are you? So, how many times H occurred? How many times L occurred? Like that, I want to find out the frequency, number of times occurred in a sentence, each letter. I'm using term frequency technique under natural language processing applications like backs of words. So, how many times it is occurred? See here, so natural, 2 times occurred. Language, 2 times occurred. So now I'm going to demonstrate that application. These are the 10 applications. Automated translation system like we are using various Google Assistant and Alexa, Siri. Automatically it can convert into our own languages. Okay. So these are the various applications. So see here, there are many applications are available. So with this one, this is one type of Alexa Siri type of application I have developed. So these are the graphs I have generated. Okay, so accuracy versus time and loss versus time, precision versus time. Okay, etc. So with this one, I am winding the session. If you are having any questions, please ask. Feel free to ask any kind of question related to artificial intelligence, natural language processing, statistics, machine and deep learning. Please, any queries from audience?
Too much of information to understand steps.
Yeah, sorry. That's why, because you may not understand.
You are new to this thing.
Yeah.
People who are new to the coding.
Yeah.
If you can relate whatever the works we are doing.
Yeah, I'm relating. That's what. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, correct. I'm trying to relate. Yeah. Still I'm learning.
Unless until you demonstrate that it's going to be very difficult for me or maybe others to follow.
Yeah. Thank you, sir, for your feedback. Because I told you beginning itself, you may not understand the terminology. It's very tough. The jargon of IT itself is very tough.
Okay, so can you explain how this neural language processing is applicable to the
research work? Because very good question. If I want to develop any kind of intelligent based application, and if I use classification clustering techniques unable to get such type of intelligent application, that's why we are introducing artificial neural networks concept, because the minute level it can extract the features from whatever the application you are using. Complex data is available there. I can use the ANN and CNN and RNN neural networks technique so that I can extract minute level features comparatively your statistical or machine learning techniques.
So when you say complex data,
yes,
what is the data then? How many data you need?
Very good question.
For example, say you've been working on a few different projects.
Yes.
Say for example, pesticides, crops, etc.
Yes.
How many data minimum you require to process these things? Can you do without 2 points?
Yeah, that time you don't need ANN, CNN and deep learning techniques. That time statistical methods like linear regression, non-linear regression, logistic regression is sufficient to perform 2 variables. I have processed here Jaman data. It is having 50 columns. I mean, that is a soil data related, ground soil, and some thousands of rows and 50 columns. When I can say the data is complex, if you are increasing number of columns, Number of columns is nothing but number of dimensions. Okay. If you are increasing more than 50, it becomes complex. System unable to read such a type of huge volume of data. So by that time, if you want to pre-process, if you want to do classification, clustering, association, rule mining, outlier detection, you can use artificial neural networks and CNN, RNN, LSTM. It gives more accurate results than statistical and machine learning techniques. Very good question, sir.
So you need a large complex data set, which means like every day, like a weather report.
Yes.
So every day they take the weather report. So
Yes.
this morning, so for example, from 9 o'clock to say 12 to 24 hours or 16 to 24
Yes.
hours, they take.
Yes.
And throughout worldwide, they have
Yes.
different time zones.
Yes.
They have different countries.
Yes.
They have different things, and they get the weather report. With that data, you can use these kind of complex information.
Correct.
Is that right? That is
Yes,
correct.
yes, yes. So,
But when we do the work here,
Yeah.
say for example, we collect different soils from
Yes.
different sites, say
Yes.
for example 10 sites,
Yes.
and we get say some people may be of interest to do all the parameters.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And they want to correlate how those parameters is
Yeah.
affecting their final output.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
So when you increase the sample size,
Yes.
then it becomes a complex data.
Yes.
Is that right?
Yes. So complex data sets, examples, weather forecasting with the worldwide time zones, one data set. And you can say traffic data analytics is a complex data. And you can take a sensor data like NASA data. Continuously, we are collecting the data. And like examples, stock market analysis. Continuously, every second data is changing with the different zones in the worldwide. So if you are increasing number of dimensions or columns, that becomes complex. That time we required a neural networks concept, like artificial neural networks, convolutional neural networks, recurrent neural networks, long short-term memory techniques comes under machine and deep learning techniques. Very good question, sir.
So the deep learning, so when it is applicable. So
Yeah,
you said
whenever
about-
complex data is there.
So for complex data, deep learning.
Yes.
How about machine learning?
Moderate data, I can say. Small data, you can go for statistical model. And medium kind of data.
How do you differentiate?
If more than 50 columns are there, go for deep learning. Because my experience, last 15 years, I'm using data science techniques and data mining and data science techniques. Below 50 columns are there, then go for machine learning techniques.
Okay, when the statistical, so statistical and intermediate?
Yeah, 20 to 25 columns. Suitable. Yeah, very good question. My dear friend, do you have any question? Please ask. Yeah, please. Yeah, please.
I mean, based on the complex data set.
Yes.
In your experience,
Yeah.
analyzing environmental or health data.
Yeah.
Environmental. I don't know about health one, but environmental things is very complex.
Yes.
Like, for example, in terms of
Data
soil,
itself complex.
in terms of soil, soil from here and
Yes.
soil from that.
Yes.
Other part of the building is very different, can be very different.
Correct.
So if you develop a modeling.
Yes.
Analyzing some
Yes.
data, gathering some information.
Yeah.
In your experience, could you please tell me that your predicted model can fit with the actual?
Yeah. Very good question. In that case, first I tried with statistical models like linear and non-linear logistic regression, but I couldn't get very good accurate results. Then I tried with the machine learning techniques like support vector machine, Bayesian networks, random forest, ADA boost, and neural networks. I got better than statistical techniques. If I go for again extension of machine learning techniques like CNN, RNN, LSTM, Keras, TensorFlow, PyTorch, Seaborn, these are the models are available to solve complex data applications.
So
Sorry.
Oh, Jingling, where are you?
I was just asking, in terms of your experience, what